A small deed goes a long way. Dave is a homeless man who helped the football player get his car free after it got stuck on the way to Arrowhead Stadium before yesterday's playoff game.
And now Dave is being rewarded for his help. Alan says Dave helped him get back on the road and to the game on time. And of course the Chiefs ended up beating the Colts. Turns out Dave lives in his truck with his girlfriend and a small dog. He didn't even know he was coming to the rescue of a professional athlete. Now, as a thank you, Ellen wants to make sure Dave is in the crowd next week at the AFC Championship game when the Chiefs take on the Patriots.
After I get done helping me, he told me he's a Chiefs player. I didn't look at him as no Chiefs player. I just looked at him as a normal person, you know what I'm saying? And would hope that he would do the same for me as if I did for him. Call me soft if you want to, homeboys, but I started balling.
Dave says he's never even been to a football game, but he's looking forward to it.